How to do fully automated trading for all investment with potential high frequency trading too. How to do fully automated trading for all investment without building from scratch and while ensuring your absolute control by easily scaling up with no license restrictions. Let's get started. A few key facts that you should know. 80% of all volume is driven by electronic trading. No one makes a living from automated trading through commercial automated trading systems except the guys who are selling them. All people who make a living from automated trading develop their own systems. No one has succeeded in automated trading without much effort, but there are some useful shortcuts. Simple is better. That's a huge part of your success, as you'll soon see. Introduction. Who am I? I'm Brian Downing, well known as a YouTube partner in the automated trading niche. My Facebook programming group has over 12,000 folks. I'm also the creator of QuantLabs.net Premium membership service, and I've been researching the high-speed trading platform technology and trading strategies for the last 3 years, and that's what you're going to learn about right now. Why is this so important to your future? How to gain the financial independence so you can enjoy real long-term financial certainty. How to uncover winning combinations without building from scratch so you can do the work of literally dozens of traders. How to systematically avoid risk and finally start winning more consistently. How to make new way of automated trading work for you faster, more easily than you ever thought possible. And here's how. Why automated trading is for you, and even if you're too convinced it's not much work or too expensive, I'll prove just how simple and straightforward automated trading can be in a moment. Why is this so important to your future? You've got to get educated fast because most discretionary trading you've been taught is dead wrong and harmful to your financial security. Point and click traders are giving up in droves because they just can't handle the stress of constant decision making. High frequency traders are easily stealing very profitable trading opportunities from you every day. Plus, your corrupt broker could be trading against you too. Fortunately, there is a solution at hand where you can fight the battles you want on your terms. If you are a high net worth individual who wants full control of your trading, this is for you. If you're a proprietary trader who wants to be an indie, this is for you. If you're considering a future as a quant software engineer, this is for you. If you want to start a quant shop or an HFT shop, this is for you. If you want constant profits and a secure future, this is for you. If you feel overwhelmed by technology and you want the easiest, fastest ways to regain control over your trading environment while making more money too, this is for you. A few house rules to weed out the tire kickers. Okay, I've got to lay down a few rules here. Here's who does not belong in automated trading. Lazy people seeking magical profits 24/7 with absolutely no effort. Get rich quick schemers. You're in the wrong webinar if you believe these ads about instant overnight wealth. Suckers looking for push-button trading, hint this never works. And deadheads seeking trading robots because most people who buy them won't make any money whatsoever. Still here, great. Let's move on to the next topic. Pre-trading challenges you might be facing right now. I realize you might be thinking you've got the wrong background to pursue automated trading. Maybe you're thinking you're in the wrong job or career to access the best information. You're using the wrong social network to gain leverage and contacts. Your college course was outdated. This happens more than you think. You bought some of that quick trading crap and wasted time and money. Well, all the above happened to me, and here's what happened. Even though all these punches had me hit in the heart that hard, I lost all my money in earlier trading accounts. I had to start from ground zero with no inside contacts, no mentors, and no useful software I could trust. I was ready to give up because I thought the whole world was against me. Yep, it wasn't the greatest start at all. Then a light went off in my mind, and I came up fighting stronger than ever. Yes, I went on a 3-year journey to uncover the best technology and ideal trading platforms, the ones where I could own the source code, encounter no license restrictions, enjoy scalability, exploit multiple broker connections too. I found technology supported by great communities, slick documentation, and all of it completely lacking the Mickey Mouse crap that plagued me before. I was using what the pros used at a tiny fraction of their costs, and that takes us to 7 sure shot ways to deliver consistently profitable automated trading with less work and better results than you ever thought possible. Yes, here are the 7 basic principles you need. Asset or barrier, how to overcome technology so it works for you. Why you must challenge your inner scaredy cat. How not to waste your time, learn from my 10 grand mistake. Don't get ripped off, 4 easy ways to avoid trouble. The key reasons why you simply simplify that PhD level math. Raise your confidence, here are the 4 fastest ways I know how. Tap into wealthy insider know-how with top industry secrets. Can you put some kind of figure on that? Asset or barrier, how to overcome technology so it works for you, own the source code, encounter no license restrictions, enjoy unlimited scalability, and exploit multiple broker connections too. Asset or barrier, I found technology supported by great communities, slick documentation, and all of it completely lacking the Mickey Mouse crap that plagued me before. I was using what the pros use at a tiny fraction of the cost, and that takes us to overcoming technology. Key ideas here is no more going down rabbit holes to emerge with nothing to show for in your efforts. Because yes, the rabbit holes include so-called industry-grade technologies, such as Python or solid trading platforms, including MotiveWave. Why you must challenge your inner scaredy cat. You need structure, as in a roadmap and a sense of direction. You also need a sense of community, as in people with common goals to seek lucrative trading opportunities. That can be harder to find than you might think, because why you must challenge your inner scaredy cat. Typical weaknesses in most trading forums include lots of negative and rude members, too much digging to discover the real information, sponsors and reps who lurk and pump their services at every opportunity. Guess how objective their advice really is. For example, Elite Trader, the most active automated trading forum, is notorious for all of these. Just do your due diligence. I have some much better suggestions on where to acquire equality info, but first, how not to waste your time. Learn from my $10,000 mistake. How not to waste your time. How to reduce your hidden costs of open source. Read this, the famous free beer poster. Tip 2, your trading scripts need to work 5 years from now, or you simply must future-proof. Tip 3, virtually build exciting and profitable trading ideas. Tip 4, focus on incredibly powerful but easy to use backtesting capabilities. Then you'll be ready to transform your trading ideas into source code and suitable platform too. And that's how you'll get to market faster than you ever thought possible. The only way to win is to learn faster than everyone else. Now, let's look at the rest of what you need to get your trading edge now. Don't get ripped off. 4 easy ways to avoid trouble. Don't get ripped off. Tip 1, generous people on YouTube. Follow those who offer innovative ideas. Watch over the shoulder of multimillionaire inside traders with special access. Get privileged access to the early adopters. By accumulating the right knowledge and trading the best trading platform and software, you're going to save a bundle, but simple is best. So let's focus on that right now. 4 ways to simplify that PhD level math. Well, we can't actually reduce it to a preschool level, but it can be a whole lot simpler than what you're worrying about right now. Tip 1, use to understand online resources. Here are a couple I really appreciate. Technical books that are easy to understand, but game changers in the way you approach automated trading. Follow interesting software projects too. Use tools to simplify your math. My favorites include MuPad and MATLAB. Raise your confidence. Here are the fastest ways I know. Be introduced to capital providers. 4 ways to simplify that PhD level math. You might think, does that sound like a step too far? Not at all, when you'll have something exciting to show them, a roadmap that shows where your profits really are, which trading strategy or model, which instrument, which frequency. 4 ways to tap into wealthy inside trading top industry secrets. Now this is where things get really interesting. You can tap into expert level knowledge immediately if you know where to look. Method 1, through thousands of blog posts they've made, through the hundreds of videos they've posted, through countless source code projects they've recommended, contributed to, and commented on, and through LinkedIn groups with bank hedge fund executives too. Now let's summarize everything quickly. To be successful at automated trading with less work and better results, than you'll ever thought possible. You need to challenge your inner scaredy cat and get past mental learning blocks, to not waste your time by going down dead-end rabbit holes, to not get ripped off with expensive but useless technology solutions, to simplify that PhD level math, to raise your confidence honestly without gimmicks, and to tap into wealthy insider know-how, including top industry secrets. And that takes us to why the Quant Elite service was created. Quant Elite has been designed from the ground up to give you the best possible choice of maximizing your automated trading success. I created it specifically to give you access to the very best, lowest cost technologies that really work, both individually and together as part of a profitable system. The best learning tools so everything makes sense and stays as simple as possible. The best contacts to quickly advance your knowledge and career. Here's how it all works. Step 1, a custom trading course, fully custom Python analysis, full quant algo analysis, extra helpful software. Let's get started into the details of each step. Step 1, a custom trading platform using MotiveWave. You'll learn, I created it specifically to give you access to how to save thousands of dollars generating your own historical data, how to analyze real-time market data for best results, how to fully automate your market orders using global broker interactive brokers, let's say, how to easily and rapidly expand your trading idea using Python, how to mine big data for hidden gold nuggets by fully exploiting databases. This will give you the foundation you need to discover and shape the very best trading ideas and execute them too. Now let's go to step 2. You'll learn with a custom trading platform, MotiveWave, you'll learn how to reduce your discovery time with complete platform tour, how to quickly and create easily a workflow roadmap to rapidly develop and backtest your trading ideas, and we're not done yet. Step 3, full quant algo analysis. You'll learn how to co-integrate market opportunities with pair trading, easier than it sounds, how to trade like the pros using genuinely profitable arbitrage opportunities, and how to gain a market advantage with top secret indicators you'll love. There's more in step 4. Extra software. You'll learn how to become an advanced option trader like the hedge funds by using Quantly, how to automate backtesting with a MotiveWave trading platform, how to save 3 years of work by using the exact same system I'm using to implement my own trading strategies. Yes, let's emphasize that. You're going to get the exact system I personally use to implement my trading ideas. Here's what you could pay elsewhere for a whole lot less. One discretionary trading strategy from Tim Sykes or Warrior Trading will cost you at least $3,000. You can lease platforms such as the ones offered by Deltix and Trading Technologies for $2,000 to $9,000 a month. Take the next step. Go right here, quantlabs/elite, choose your payment plan, register your in details, receive my confirmation email, start learning. Remember, you're going to get all the following and more. The Quant Elite special offer, special bonus added just now. There's a couple of last minute additions I made to the ever expanding treasure chest of Quant Elite goodies. You're going to find these really helpful. I'm excited about them. Arbitrage optimization with volatility, easy to idea transfers from your existing trading ideas through technical analysis, mean reversion, professional level diversification of the securities you trade with Gurch, all that. It's still literally thousands of dollars cheaper than the expensive proprietary and overly complex competition out there. Quant Elites, quantlabs./elite. Let's sum it up. Or you could save thousands by making a one-time payment of $9.97 right now. Remember, you're getting access to the very best, lowest cost technologies that will really work both individually and together to be part of a profitable system. The best learning tools so everything makes sense and stays as simple as possible. The best contacts to quickly advance your knowledge and career. All that, plus there's one more thing I forgot to tell you about. Quant Labs Elite. Warning, yes, there's a deadline on the introductory price I'm offering right now. I'm planning to raise the price in the next few weeks. You will become a member after that, of course, but at a higher price. So why wait? Because I know you want to automate your trading ideas as soon as possible, and you know this is an excellent value. So take advantage of this incredible discount, the amazing bonuses. I'm looking forward to welcoming you aboard as a Quant Elite service member. See you there.